Alright, back on the video. Had a unexpected customer. Like I said, we're usually closed on the weekends, but I still stay in the shop to do my own business, or do my own work. But yeah, somebody saw that I was in here, and even though the sign says closed, they decided to still come in, which, you know, doesn't really seem, I don't know if you get it, doesn't really seem, you know, customers don't have to be professional, but still common courtesy. If the business is closed and I'm open, or if I'm here, it doesn't necessarily mean come in, but at the same time, I'm not going to turn down business. But this repair needs my full concentration, because I do not want to mess it up more than it already is. I don't want to break all this glass, because then it makes it harder to come off. I guess I'm probably not going to have a choice pretty soon. There we go. Let's get you out of the corners there. And now you want to pull these cables through here. Voila. You still got some glass stuck on the screen up there. So we're going to just peel that off there. Got all that extra adhesive. And throw that in the trash with all of that. Alright, now we're going to free the bezel. Take a razor blade. And probably going to heat this up first. Don't need too much heat. Yeah, this is going to be a hassle, because we already have two corners that aren't going to be able to grasp to the clips here. And it just, when that happens, it just makes it so much more complicated. Let me take off the home button here, so we could put it onto the new screen first. See, these home buttons were less complicated, because they're just, well, just that, home button. Just a button with a metal clip on the back. This is going to be a pain. Alright. And now we really just have one solid side to grab when it comes to, we're going to be setting it on here, which is going to be quite a feat. I may just have to use the other screen and leave this one for a personal project. Alright. So it's going to heat this phone up to about 80 degrees Celsius. This is really going to suck. This is what it looks like. Only one piece that we can really grab onto. And I really can't show you the process from an overhead view because we just don't really have that capability yet. See if I can do it like this. Like little boxes here. Yeah, my thing's not really too professional at this moment, but there's the replacement screen. Once we do get everything set in place, I'm going to turn this on, set it to 80 degrees. No, not 90. There we go, 80. It's at 30 degrees right now. Oh, that is Celsius. And then we're going to get our string, our wire, whatnot. Alright. A lot of times this thing likes to break. Tape it up there. We're at 44 degrees. Um, 55 degrees. $60 degrees. No, well, we already have some string ready. I was not aware. Alright, 80 degrees Celsius is a safe temperature for the LCD, so it's not going to burn the LCD. Unlike using one of these, what I started off using, which is a heat gun, and you heat up the glass and just crap, that was a sneeze. Yeah, that's just not something that you really want to do, because then you'll have things that look like this where you actually rip the LCD in the process. Alright, now I can smell the adhesive sizzling. I want to get under here. I hate the fact that it's only one piece. Let me see. Since we're pulling down straight, I can use this piece of glass here to hold it in place. Where is my tweezers? I'll bring it down to 79. Alright, that should work. Okay, hold on. Luckily, we have all these broken pieces of glass around here that can assist us in holding these pieces in place. Alright. Apparently not too well, though. This is actually working a lot better than I anticipated. And you know, I always lose my tweezers. It seems like it never fails. I always lose these things. Well, that broke, but oh well. Just to get it in there well enough. Oh, well, that's nice. I hate the fact that you like to do that. I need to go this way. It's one of the things about the broken glass that really suck. Is that you really just can't and like usual, all my videos are unedited, simply because to show you how complicated these processes are. Alright, well, this one likes to be it's not as bad. This one's coming through pretty nice. Maybe just the old, it may be because all the other iPhone 4s I had were with water damage. And the ones that have water damage are just a pain in the ass. Okay. There we go. Well. Yep, enough of that. Okay, we can turn this off now. And wow, that's hot. A little bit. Okay. Now we turn that off. We're going to take these pieces off here, and here, and here. And I save these parts just for, you know, extra space, so that I don't have to worry when I'm fixing another phone. Alright, so I'm going to unplug this without messing up all the screws. Hopefully it's not hot on the side. So I can move this back over here. Alright. I'm going to move this down. Ooh, that was almost way too close. Alright, now we're going to get the rest of the adhesive with our soldering iron, which apparently doesn't look like it's long enough to reach. It'll reach good enough. We have to wait for this thing to heat up. And when I first started out, I was using this in a rag and my spudger tools to scrape off all the adhesive, and that can be a process. So, what's up, Brandon?